You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, the name of this country. We'll be looking at more country names in Korean, vocabulary and names that are common and useful. Stay tuned. In English, it's said as Korea. For reference, in Korean, the full name of the country is said as Tianmingo. But yeah, in English, Korea. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you there. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.